students, let us see what are divided differences. Let us learn to put a table of divided differences and apply these Newton's divided difference formula for interpolation. So divided differences. Now why we use this divided differences is uh, because the Lagrange's formula has a drawback that if another interpolation value is to be inserted, then uh, all the coefficients are required to be recalculated. So this tedious work has been reduced in this Newton's uh, divided difference formula, or it's also called as the Newton's general interpolation formula. Now how to find these divided differences? Suppose we are given with a set of values x0 y0 x1 y1 x2 y2 so on. Then the divided difference of x0 and x1, it is denoted by this, x0 x1 in square brackets, it is equal to y1 minus y0 divided by x1 minus x0. Similarly, the divided difference of x1 x2 is given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This continues. Now the second divided, these are the first divided differences. The second divided differences is defined for x0 x1 x2 given by this x0 x1 x2 under square brackets, and it is equal to the difference between the first divided differences, divided difference of x1 x2 minus the divided difference of x0 x1 divided by x2 minus x0 divided by x2 minus x0 here. Then this is the uh, first value. Again the next one, the divided difference of x1 x2 x3 will be equal to the divided difference between the divided differences of x2 x3 and x1 x2 divided by x3 minus x1. It thus continues. So the third divided difference for x0 x1 x2 x3, it is defined as x0 x1 x2 x3 under the square brackets, that is equal to the difference between the second divided differences, that is the divided difference of x1 x2 x3 minus the divided difference of x0 x1 x2 divided by x3 minus x0. Similarly, the next divided difference, it is given by x1 x2 x3 x4 and is given by the difference between the divided difference of x2 x3 x4 and x1 x2 x3 divided by x4 minus x1. So this is how we go for calculating the divided differences. When we put in the table, you can understand it in a simple form there. Let us see what the Newton's divided difference formula is. Now so again if you are given with the values of x0 x1 x so on up till xn and the corresponding values y0 y1 so on up till yn, then the Newton's general interpolation formula, or it is also called as the Newton's divided difference formula, it is given by y is equal to y0 plus x minus x0 into the divided difference of x0 x1 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into the divided difference of x0 x1 x2, that is this is the first divided difference, this is the second divided difference, then x minus x0 x minus x1 x into x minus x2 multiplied with the third divided difference, that is x0 x1 x2 x3, so on it continues until we have x minus x0 x minus x1 multiplied with x minus xn minus 1, last but one term, and the divided difference of all x0 x1 so on up till xn terms. So this is the Newton's divided difference formula. Let us see the application to one of the example. Consider this example. The data is given here. Now use Newton's divided difference method to compute f of 5.5. Now that's the question. Now let us denote these values in a columns 0, 1, 4, 5 and 6, and the corresponding y values 1, 14, 15, 6 and 3. Now we'll compute the first divided differences. So what it is? First divided difference 14 minus 1, that is y1 minus y0 divided by x1 minus x0. 14 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 0. We get it as 13. Next one here it is 15 minus 14 divided by 4 minus 1. It is 0.333. Then 6 minus 15 divided by 5 minus 4. It is minus 9. Then 3 minus 6 divided by 6 minus 5. We get minus 3. These are the first divided differences. Now you go for the second divided differences. Now these are the difference between, we have to take the first divided difference in the numerator, that is 0.33 minus 13 divided by 4 minus 0 divided by these values x1 x2 minus x0, therefore minus 0. Next here we'll go for minus 9 minus 0.33 divided by minus 5 minus 1. Next one here we have minus 3 minus of minus 9, that is minus 3 plus 9 divided by 6 minus 4. We get the value 3. Now we go for the third divided differences. Take the difference of the second divided difference here, minus 2.33 plus 3.17 divided by, we have here 5, then minus 0. So we get the value 0.168. To calculate this, 3 minus of minus, again it becomes plus 2.33 divided by, what you have to take, this value 6, and here it is 1. 6 minus 1. So it is 1.066. Or you can remember, while doing the first divided differences, we took one difference for x values. For second divided difference, skip one value. So we'll take 4 minus 1, 5 minus 1, 6 minus 4, there, like that. Now for third divided differences, we'll skip two values. So we'll take 5 minus 0, and here 6 minus 1 it is. Now for fourth divided difference, take the divided differences, differences of the third divided differences in the numerator, 1.0667 minus 0.168 in the numerator, divided by, we will have 6 minus 0. We have to skip three values. 6 minus 0. The value we get is 0.1498. I will be considering these for leading values. The first values in the table, those we will be taking. Substitute them in the Newton's divided difference formula. So the Newton's divided difference formula, it is written here. Now just go on substituting the values. Y naught, it is 1. X minus x naught. X is the value for which we need y. So that is, they asked f of 5.5. That means x becomes 5.5. X naught is 0. So we have x minus x naught means it is 5.5 minus 0. We'll get 5.5. The first divided difference value, it is 13. Then x minus x naught, again 5.5. X minus x1. x1 is 1. So 5.5 minus 1, we get 4.5. Then here it is x naught, x1, x2, the divided difference, we get minus 3.17 from the table. Now substitute the values, x minus x naught again, x minus x1 again, x minus x2 now. So we get 5.5 minus 4, it is 1.5. Then here the third divided difference value, 0.168. Again repeat the values of x minus x naught, x minus x1 and x minus x2. Here we have x minus x3. 5.5 minus 5, we get 0.5, and the last divided difference value, it is 0.1498. Simplify it, we get the answer for y at x equal to 5.5 as 3.06.